These are spicy lemon thyme wet wings, the richer, more handsome brother to lemon pepper wings. They're buttery, herby, and zesty enough to crash any holiday party. Oh, and we're starting this one with a sauce that might just make ranch rethink its career path. Poor choices, y'all. All right, we're kicking things off with this Lemon Basil Aioli, and this is actually the first place we're bringing in this Spiceology pink peppercorn lemon thyme seasoning. So into a small bowl, we're gonna add a half cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 small garlic clove that's been minced up, or you can use half a teaspoon of roasted garlic paste if you want it smoother, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh basil, half a teaspoon of our pink peppercorn lemon thyme seasoning, and an optional half a teaspoon of honey just to mellow out the sweetness. Give it a stir until it's smooth and creamy, and then give it a taste. Does it need some more salt? Does it need some more lemon juice? Pop this in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, and I really mean it when I say 30 minutes. The flavor is going to be significantly different. Like, taste it right now, and then taste it again in 30 minutes after it's had a chance to sit in the fridge and let the flavors really marry together. Complete night and day. Now let's make our dry seasoning mix. We're gonna grab another bowl or container, and we're gonna combine 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of our lemon pepper thyme seasoning. Optionally, you can add a half teaspoon of MSG, which is really gonna make these irresistible, but again, optional. Mix it all up, and here's something helpful for you. You don't actually need to use all of this seasoning, you just wanna use it enough to evenly coat. I'd say of this entire mixture, I probably ended up using like 2/3 of it. The rest can be saved for another batch at another time. Grab about 2 pounds of chicken wings, flats and drums, whatever you want. Pat them completely dry, like no shine left kind of dry, because that's the trick to crispy skin in the air fryer. Then toss the wings in a large bowl and sprinkle on your seasoning mix. And remember, not all of it. Give it a little massaging so we can change that color into something we're proud of. Now it's air fryer time. We're gonna spray our air fryer rack with a little cooking oil so nothing sticks. Then we're gonna arrange the wings in a single layer and then just pop them in at 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. And you wanna flip halfway through and hit them with another quick spray of oil. That extra oil mist is gonna help them get that fried style texture without all the grease. And no need to babysit them too much. You're just letting the air fryer do its holiday magic while you make the sauce. Speaking of the sauce, this is where we fix lemon pepper forever. Hey, look at that. The induction top is back. That's how easy this recipe is. I'm not even gonna bother changing my setup over to the stove. We're gonna do it right here. In a small saucepan over low heat, we're gonna melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter until it starts to foam. Then we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of our lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, the zest of half a lemon and the juice of 1/4 of a lemon, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and an optional half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning just for some extra heat and flavor. Stir it together and let it simmer for about 2 minutes until nice and glossy, and then that's when it transforms from sauce into a glaze. And you're gonna smell all that butter and the citrus and the other herbs. It's gonna be like aromatherapy for you. 20 minutes are up, our wings are done, and we're just gonna toss them in a large bowl while they're still hot and pour that sauce all over them and toss everything until it's nice and coated and glossy. Then just let them sit for a minute so that butter really soaks in. Sprinkle a little parsley or maybe some fresh lemon zest over the top, and bam, you've got upgraded lemon pepper wings that taste like the holidays came early. Pull that lemon basil aioli out of the fridge, give it a stir, and either you can dip it or you can drizzle it. That creamy, lemony basil cools down the spice while bringing it all full circle. This combo's perfect for the holidays, it's shareable, it's quick to make, and fancy enough that people will think you catered. So forget the turkey, bring wings like this to the next family gathering, and you'll be the new favorite relative. And as far as the pour choice goes, you can go with a nice hazy IPA. You know me guys, I always forget to record the beverages that I have, but I am going to start making a mental note to record them first. That will solve the problem of them not existing after I'm done cooking, because usually I already drank it. But that hazy IPA is going to give you a nice, juicy tropical kick. So there you have it, the official cure for dry holiday parties. Hey everybody, this is Poor Choices Kitchen. We got a Patreon link down in the description. $1 a month is all we ask for to pay for recipes in these here inflated times. And man, whew, I know how this economy is right now. I feel bad just even asking y'all for money. But I appreciate everyone who donates, whether it's $1 or if you're on the Patreon, you can donate more than $1. I think you can. I don't think there's actually a limit on how much you can donate over there. But with the YouTube memberships, it's $2.99. All this stuff goes towards paying for recipes because it's getting crazy out here in these streets. So appreciate all of you. I really do want to hear from you all, your thoughts and opinions on this recipe. It comes together really fast. You don't need a lot of ingredients. Probably the toughest one is just going to be getting the Spiceology one, which I got on Amazon and it came the very next day. But yeah, give this a try. I want to hear your thoughts. I was so impressed with these wings, like to the point I'm just like, oh, I can't wait to share this with the world. So yeah, there you have it. I'll holler at you all next time. Enjoy.